Welcome to day 14 of my $0 to $10,000 challenge with Amazon ads for my KDP books. My name is Dean the Wealth Coach and welcome. So let's get this started off today. I have been working on a few books. One I was finishing yesterday. There's a few things that I kind of switched around before I launch it, and then I'm gonna add it to the catalog. I'm gonna also create some low content books to upload as well. This week's been kind of hectic because my son's sick, so I didn't really have time to focus on anything, but that's fine. So we have no sales. What's the estimator? So nothing yesterday. Alright, let's go to marketing. Let's see what's going on with the budget. Okay, so let's choose. Okay. Okay, so we're spending money. We were at like about 68 yesterday, so we spent about $5. So we gotta see where we're spending this money. So this one here and this one, these are the two that are spending money. So let's go through. Let's just change these ones first, these three, and then look at the others after. See what's going on. 27 impressions, okay. No spend. And that's it. This. 57. I'm still trying to learn how these people are doing like 5 to like 20 cents ads and getting clicks. That is mind-boggling, but we'll figure it out. 57. I'm determined to find out this formula. This one. So these ones are getting some impressions, but not a lot. So just waiting for those clicks to happen. Okay, so let's go to this one. So this one's spending money, but nothing's hitting. So this is the manual journal. So let's see what works. It costing me some dollars. Targeting. So let's see, where are we spending money? So let's spend money here. Here. Something spending a bit of money. Just gotta find it. Yeah, on this page. Here, let's see. This one's spending some money. Let's go with 40 cents here. not sure what apply means, if it changes it to what they're suggesting. Let's see. Yeah, what they suggest. Okay, we'll see. That makes a difference for us. So a bit of ads are spending some money, or some keywords. Nothing that really stands out except that one. So it's just a little bit of money here and there. So it's not the end of the world. So we'll just leave that for now. Let's go to the last one and see what that one's saying. I think I'm going to stop that one because it's spending money, but it's not producing anything. A cost just keeps getting higher and higher. Yeah, probably I'm going to have to stop this one. Yeah, these are low. I wonder if these are the new ones. Interesting. Yeah, these I need to figure out. Back to the research lab to see what's going on here. So as you can see, a few words are picking up, but no real hits in terms of sales. See, this one is was spending a lot of money, but no hits, so I have to turn it off. Or pause it, I should say. So this one was doing good, but now it costs more to get clicks for this one. $2. Yeah, right. That's way too much. 62 cents. They're not picking up anything. Wow. $1.87. I wonder if I can just turn these off. Does it even make sense? Okay, so still nothing. All these ones are high. What keywords are these? Let's see what keywords this is. Oh, credit score. Stuff. Okay, we'll leave that for the relevant words. Okay, so that's it for the American side. Let's see what the Canadian side and UK say. Wow, Canadian's still struggling. I'm gonna put it at 75 cents and then just leave it and see what happens. Change that. See if we can get something going. Oh, it's already at 75 cents. I'll need to do is either A, change my cover, or B, set up keywords manually. Because as of right now, everything is, all my impressions are pretty much coming from the States. Or C, hire somebody. That's always an option. Yeah, so 75 cents. Everything's at 75 cents. So I got some more soul searching to do to figure out these ads. Yeah, so if you guys have any tips or tricks, just comment below, leave it in leave it in the comment section. I'll check it out. Oh, look at this. Well, more impressions on thing, but still nothing. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with the challenge. We're pretty much at the halfway point, and we got a long way to go. So hopefully things can turn around in the next 16 days. And I will see you on tomorrow's video.